Okay, this is Josh.
Ben.
Show me your gun, Josh.
Yep.
250 feet per second, spring-loaded airsoft. 275 feet per second, but only 2 inches away from the arm. This is Ben. He's going to be getting shot on the arm.
Since I'm the bravest,
I'm not.
Josh, don't do it. Josh, don't do that.
Hold on.
Josh.
Go.
Oh my God. Twice in a row.
What?
How many times you doing it? That's 3 times in a row.
Gosh.
4 times? Oh my.
Come John.
You got any more?
No, that's good. That's it.
I'm bleeding.
Bleeding.
Oh my God.
Get out the light.
Bleeding. Look at my nose.
That was funny.
And that has been